In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave an organization in Zoho Books. This is useful if you're no longer part of a company, you've changed teams, or you simply don't need access to that organization's books anymore. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. Start by signing into your Zoho Books account and make sure you're on any main page inside the app. At the very top of the screen, you'll see the current organization name displayed in the header area. This is usually on the left side of the top bar. Click directly on that organization name. When you do this, Zoho Books opens a panel or page that shows all the organizations your account is associated with. Once you see the list of organizations, look for an option labeled Manage. This is typically near the top of that organization selection area and lets you manage your connections rather than just switch between them. Go ahead and click on Manage. This will take you to a dedicated organizations page where each organization appears in a list, usually in separate rows or cards. On this organizations page, locate the specific organization that you want to leave. Take a moment here to double check that you've selected the correct one, especially if you're linked to multiple companies. Leaving an organization removes your access to its data, so you want to be absolutely sure you're choosing the right one. To the right side of that organization's entry, you'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots, often called the More or Options menu. Click on those 3 dots. This will open a small drop-down menu with available actions for that organization. In that drop-down, you'll find an option that says Leave Organization. Click on Leave Organization. Zoho Books may prompt you with a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to leave. Read that message carefully, then confirm your choice if everything looks correct. After you confirm, Zoho Books will remove you from that organization, and it should no longer appear in your active organization list. If you still see it, try refreshing the page to update the view. And that's it. You've successfully left an organization in Zoho Books, and you'll now only have access to the remaining organizations linked to your account